Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Steve James from Computer Science and Engineering Department. Today in this video, I am going to explain about the graphics in Python using Turtle and Python image library. Come, let's get into the video and see the detailed information about it. In this program, I'm going to use Turtle and I'm going to draw a hat using a rectangle and a circle. Come, let's see how I am doing this. First, I'm going to import this turtle module here, and I'm creating a cursor named pen using turtle function. Then I'm getting the color of screen using color mode of 255. Then I'm filling the color of the black for the rectangle here. And now I'm going to use the begin fill, and now I'm going to draw the rectangle using range of 2, and I'm going to make it in the forward axis of 250, and I'm going to turn it to the left of 90 degrees. And again, I'm going to move it in the forward of 50 degrees. And again, I'm going to taking a left through 90 degrees. So I will be forming a horizontal rectangle here. And now I'm going to use this cursor, and I'm going to here infill this. And then I'm going to set the position at 125,0 at the turtle. And again, I'm using the same black color, and I'm going to start the fill, and I'm going to draw a circle in 60 degrees and 60-degree radius. And then I'm going to end this fill, and I'm closing this turtle using turtle.done function. Come, let's run the program and check it. Yeah. Now you can see this hat is formed using the turtle and this. Come, let's go to the next program and see the other one. This is my second program using turtle. I'm gonna draw a square using 4 different colors for the 4 different sides. In this program, I'm just importing the turtle, and I'm gonna get the screen of the square, so that I should be getting a screen of white color, so that I'm using screen function here. And again, I'm creating a cursor for the to draw using turtle function, and I'm going to use for loop here, so that I'll be getting a list of colors. So I'm giving here 4 colors because the square has 4 sides. And now I'm going to use this color function, and I'm going to draw the each and every line using these colors. And now I'm going to use the pen in forward mode of 50, and I'm going to take it to the 90 degrees left. And that's all I'm going to do with this for loop. So that I'll be getting the turtle.done to close this program. And now I'll run the program here. So you can look at the loop. Look, I have formed a square here using green, red, purple, and blue, so that I got the color here. This is my programs using turtle here. And come, let's go and see my next program using PIL software. That's nothing but Python image library. This is nothing but my second program. I'm going to use PIL software here in this. It's nothing but Python image library. In the previous one, I have draw a thing, something using turtle, but here I'm not going to draw anything. I'm going to just take the picture from my desktop, and now I'm going to alter this using resize, crop, pasting it, like that activities. Come, let's see this program. In this program, I have imported image from this PIL, so that I can get to open an image. I have given the file location here. So, and I am going to show this using this show function. And again, I'm going to print the size of this image here, so that it will be retrieving the size of the image, the original image. And again, I'm going to resize it using the resize function here, and I'm going to save it in the n, and I'm going to save the n in this location. And now I'm printing the size of the new image, and now I'm going to show this new image size also here in this function. I'm going to do this. And in the crop function, I'm just going to do the crop using this x-axis and y-axis. And then I'm going to save it using this location, and I'm going to show that too. Yeah, come, let's see here. I'll run the program here. This is my original photo. And yeah, here. Yeah. Now I guess you can see here 3 pics, I guess. So that this is nothing but this is the original photo I have shown for i.show here. And again, the second image for the resizing of it, I took this photo here so that I'll be getting the 600 plus 600 axis. And now I'm going to show the cropped ones here so that I've cropped at this size. So I will be getting a photo like this. It will be in the center of my face. Yeah. And again, you can see the size of the old and the new one here. Here, the old image size is 132 into 170, but my new image size is 600 into 600, which I have given here itself. Come, let's go to the second program and see what's that. In this program also, I'm gonna import the same image from that. I'm gonna do the same process for showing my image, and in this, I'm gonna use transpose for flipping the image left to right, and here I'm gonna use flip dot top to bottom, so that I'll be getting the opposite sides. And I'm gonna save it and I'm gonna show it here. Let's see, run this program and check it. Yeah, here you can see, I guess, this is my flipping of T to B, top to bottom. So I'll be getting the opposite image here. Look, it is flipped up to down. And here in this, you can see I have flipped it left to right. So everything will be in the opposite direction like a mirror image. And here it's my original photo and you can see the difference between these, I guess. Yeah, now let's move on to my next program here in this. In this program, I'm gonna just take a picture and I'm gonna resize it and I'm gonna paste the same picture in the different position of the same place here. So look at this program here. I'm just opening the program and I'm just showing like the previous one. And I'm gonna resize using resize function like the previous one. So I'm gonna get a bigger size here. And again, I'm gonna open the same folder like the same folder which I resized, and I'm gonna use image.image.paste so that I'll be pasting the same image on the other. So I am getting this n to which image should I paste and to where I should paste and at which size I'm gonna give here. So now let's run the program and check it out how it's playing it. This is my original pic, and now you can see that yeah, this is my greater one, and I'm gonna just cutting the sum of the paste and I'm gonna paste it in this position in this size. Yeah, this is my pasting program here. Come, let's see my next program. In this program, it's nothing but I'm gonna convert my colored image into black and white image so that it will be changed into a grayscale image. Come, let's see here. I'm just gonna open a folder here and I'm gonna use i.convert of L so that it will be converting into black and white image. And I'm going to save it in this location and I'm going to name it as 6. And now I'm going to show the both images right now. Come, let's check the program here. Yeah, look, this is my original one and this is my black and white one which I've turned into a grayscale image. Come, let's see my next program here. Yeah, this is my next program here. This is the last program I'm going to use using PIL function here. In this one, I'm going to import image and my image filter from the PIL library so that I can use the blur function so that you can't see my pic clearly like a blurred one. It will be represented as a blurred one. So I'm gonna just locate the image and I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna use the filter function and the image filter function of blur so that I'm gonna save it in the IM2 and I'll be saving this image in this location. In the 7th name, I'm going to save it and I'm going to show it using the show function and I'm closing all this through a close function here. Now let's run the program and check it. This is my original pic and yeah, here you can see the blurred ones here. It may be not clear. Yeah, that's all. This is the program I have done using Turtle and Python libraries, Python image libraries. Yeah, I hope this video will be useful, guys. Thank you.